Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys my nighttime skincare routine. It has changed, I think, since the last time I did one. I think the last time I did one was like maybe four or 5 years ago, 3 years ago. I don't know, it was a long time ago. My daughter's over here, so if you can hear her, that's what it is. But, so the first thing that I do is I take my Neutrogena makeup remover and I take my makeup off, wipe my makeup off. So that was kind of like a pre-wipe for me. Then I'll take this Ulta Beauty makeup remover. It's just an oil-based makeup remover, and I'll take it on a cotton pad and just go over my face again to try to get as much makeup off as possible with this. Because as you can see, my face still had a ton of makeup on it, so that's why I like to do the Neutrogena wipes first and then go in with these again. So after that, I've been using the Clean and Clear Night Relaxing Deep Cleaning Face Wash. This is the one I use at nighttime. You can see it's halfway gone. And then I use this one the morning time and the morning time when I wash my face. So it's nighttime right now, so I'm gonna use this. And I take my little face sponge right here and I massage, you'll see in a second, my face. Okay, so after that, I just take my washcloth and some warm water and just remove this face wash. This next step is not a part of my nightly routine. I do this maybe I don't really know, just whenever I feel like my face needs like a deep cleaning mask. But I've been using the Tula Exfoliating Treatment Mask, and I've been using this mask for a while. I believe the last makeup routine I filmed, I'd used this. So I'm gonna apply this on my face and let it sit and go from there. All right, so now I'm gonna let this sit on my face for about 5 minutes. On here it says you can use this like up to 2 to 3 times per week, but I really don't even use it that much. I'd say maybe once a week, if that. But yeah, I love it. You can feel it like tingling on your face. And yeah, it just feels really good and really exfoliating. So I'm gonna leave this on for 5 minutes and I'll be back to wash it off shortly. All right, so it's been 5 minutes. I'm gonna take my washcloth and wash it off my face. Okay, so I'm almost done. I'm going to take my Kylie Skin face moisturizer and put this on my face. I love how this stuff feels. This is the only product that I've tried from her line. And yeah, I really like how it feels on my face. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and rub this in to my face. All right, so one of the last steps that I do is I take this L'Oreal Revitalift. It's a serum, and I apply this on my face. It just makes it feel just vibrant and bright, and it really feels good on my face, on my skin. So I just take a couple of drops. You only need like 4 to 5 drops, really. And I'm gonna rub that in with my fingers. Okay, and the last step, I take this Rose Petals Rose Water. I actually got this in a gift bag from Whole Foods. It's just a hydrating face mist, and I just spray it on my face, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, you can see my skin is very clean and smooth and shiny, and it feels really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about any products or anything that I use, you can let me know in the comments below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in my next video. Love you guys.